but we are gonna take a ferry. I'm super excited. Sorry. I think I'm sort of tipsy.
And we are heading towards the ladies market. Today we are leaving Hong Kong Island and exploring Kowloon.
To go to the Kowloon Peninsula region, what we have to do is, firstly, we have to take a tram towards the central, and then from central we'll be taking a ferry. So we are super excited as this will be our first ferry in Hong Kong, and we love taking ferries, so we're really looking forward to it. Right now we're just waiting for the tram. I think one is right there. That one is too crowded. We're not gonna climb on that one. You never get on the first tram that comes in, because after that a lot are followed, and maybe get on the third or the fourth one. Did you know it is also called Ding Dong?
No, I did not.
It's so funny. Or Ding Ding, I don't know. And that's how you get a seat.
Done with the tram. Now towards the ferry. We're going with the upper deck. I don't know if that's how it works, but
Cool. You love it?
I love it. Yes.
I told you about upper deck.
Yes, you did. Thank you.
This ferry looks so oldish.
Authentic.
Authentic, yeah, that's the right word. It looks very nice and authentic. I'm really excited to be sitting in this. It's been a while that we've taken a ferry.
Yes, last I remember Kotao. I don't remember after that.
Do you not remember Malaysia?
No, I don't. Georgetown with, oh yes.
Yeah, but we're gonna take a ferry. I'm super excited. Got the window seat. And no window seat, but what do you call this? Window seat. Everything smells so amazing.
Check first.
Then the right side. Tick.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome for the Sherry Punjab.
Thank you.
Fine, sir. Not pure veg.
No, thank you. We're just exploring. Veg food over here. That's widely available in this area.
Since we started the day a little bit late today, as we were super tired from yesterday, and also we had breakfast at the hotel. We got out a little late today, and we came to this place, the Kowloon Peninsula. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Kowloon Peninsula. So we are here now, and it's already 3 p.m. or 4 p.m.
It's 3:30.
3:30. It's already 3:30, and we got a little hungry, so we're having some Indian food, and we're super excited because there were like so many Indian food options over here, and according to what we've been having till now, it's been quite affordable. This looks quite affordable, and this is South Indian food, so both Nikhil and I, we love South Indian food, so yeah, we're having that right now. Look at that.
I'm happy.
Nikhil has no words, just wants to dig in.
Yeah, I'm super hungry because.
Yeah, and that's mine. I didn't know while ordering that this would be the quantity. Yeah, otherwise we could have shared.
No. I'm this hungry. Yes.
Alright, Let's dig in. After taking so many trams yesterday just for fun, we almost ran out of balance in our octopus cards. So we just went to a 7-Eleven. And it was so simple. We were so shocked to see. She just said, keep your card. We kept it, paid the money and done. Just took like 2 seconds.
That's it.
Yeah, it was fun.
And now we are going for our first ever wine tasting. And I'm really looking forward to it. And the best part is that it's free. That turned a little shady.
that is very shady. But we did come from
This is an old, very old lift.
God, that was so scary. How it's moving.
It's like an old movie, right?
Yeah. God, I've been so scared.
Oh. Let's go after you.
For your tasting?
Yeah. So we have arrived at Pinewood Wines and this looks legit.
So good.
Yeah.
This looks, I was so scared. I was almost going to turn back and tell him to just cancel. But the moment I saw this, I was like, wow.
And we get a private tour.
Yeah, we get a private wine tasting because the other people did not show up or...
There was no other. It's just us.
It was just us who booked. I booked the best slot.
Also, it's not just tasting, we'll be learning about wine today. So that's something cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course.
So,
Guys, follow them.
yes. Thank you so much.
This is our first wine tasting.
Yeah, I mean your first wine tasting?
Yeah.
Ever.
Oh, great! So I will share some wine tasting skills with you with 2 wine samples. Yeah, so it's maybe something new for us.
Yes.
Well, let's do this. Here you go. This is in case sometimes in wine tasting people will split out the wines that they taste.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is but we only have
I
2
hope
and
not.
I hope you they're good enough. I forget to introduce myself. I'm Tom.
Hi, Tom.
Nice to meet you. When we use the ways of wine tasting, you will definitely get a lot more. So how do we do the form of wine tasting? It's like firstly before we drink the wine, we always smell the wine first. Try to smell it. Just smell it. You will get something, some more fruits, I would say.
Yeah.
So sweet. The fruit is like something like, excuse me, like peach. We take a bigger sip, like about a quarter of your remaining wines.
It's much different.
Yeah.
You feel the difference, right?
Yeah.
You can feel the difference, right?
No, I felt very funny while doing it.
It's
But a lot more flavors.
Yeah, it just...
a lot more
Fills up the-
flavorful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers.
Okay.
Your mouth is watering, right?
Yeah.
Well, not
That's
very
You see
magic.
the, yeah. You see the magic, right? You can feel the magic. Try to smell it. Well, can't wait.
Sorry, I couldn't. Sorry, why did I do that?
Can't wait. Well, there are other aromas.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, other aromas, but for the first time, for beginner, I think you get the sweetness of the fruit is.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Thank you. very much for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And yeah, feel free to enjoy the women wines and
That was such a crazy experience. I loved this wine tasting.
I think I'm sort of tipsy.
Same here. But how fun was that?
That was so cool. I've never done anything quite like that.
Yeah, that
I
was really.
so skeptical.
I would have never expected something like that to be in there.
Yeah, it was so fancy. I mean, they had, we did not get to shoot that, but they had a wall that opened up and it was actually a door.
Yeah, you
Am I
can.
explaining that right?
I don't think so, but you had to be there.
Yeah, it was awesome. It was so good. So much fun. We haven't still tried the egg tart, which I have read is very, very famous here. So we just saw this bakery and everything was smelling so good from afar that we really wanted to get an egg tart. I don't know if you're gonna like it or not.
Very nice. There's a lot of egg flavor though,
I mean,
but really tasty and sweet as well, but not too sweet. Right?
it's so good.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of egg in there.
It's like custard.
Yeah, with scrambled egg. Yeah, there's in here the filling of egg.
Yeah, but it's tasty, not like,
Scrambled egg is tasty.
yeah, that's, I love the pastry.
It's really nice.
I think we should take another one.
I'm good with one.
So good, right? Love it. One more thing just ticked off our bucket list.
We are now at Mongkok station and we are heading towards the ladies market because Trisha wanted to explore that and I was like, why not? Let's have fun.
It's one of the top recommended markets.
Why won't we
saw
go
this
there?
in a, yeah. Right around this block, we're gonna find the ladies market. And this place is so crowded right now. It's so similar to the Hong Kong Island, yet so different, right?
Yeah,
Has such a different vibe.
and we've suddenly entered the Chandni Chowk of Hong Kong.
Oh, look at that.
Shinchan? Oh, cute.
So cute. Let me take one of these now. It's high time.
And how do we charge?
USB. Where?
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Old type charge.
I charge one set together.
Nice.
You like 40, okay lah. You very hot, you need one. This one?
Huh.
I'm gonna finally buy this.
For like a silver ring.
I totally feel so weird haggling now. I don't think I am made for shopping anymore. I feel so weird. It's just different kind of stress altogether. Wow, this is so good. It's so good.
Nice.
Right?
Yeah.
I
Keep it in your hand, use it.
No, I'm gonna use it later.
Okay.
This is so cute. I love it. I love this. High five.
Hello.
So we usually do not carry souvenirs from all the places, but from Hong Kong we really wanted to get some chopsticks. Actually, we have been wanting to get chopsticks since our first travel, that was Thailand, but we couldn't find any till now that we really liked. So we always keep an eye out for nice looking chopsticks because we have to get 2 pairs, one for Nikhil and one for me. So that was a little too expensive than what we'd expected, and hence we did not go forth with it. but we are definitely gonna keep an eye out for something that is in our budget and really nice.
I love how the color has changed into pink. I think we should start heading out. It's a fun place, right?
Yeah.
We were just not in the mood to buy a lot of stuff.
Yeah, we just wanted to
Explore first.
Yeah, just wanted to see the market, and we have very less time as we'll be going forward also. But this was a really fun experience.
Reminded us of India a lot.
Yeah, we have a lot of such markets in India, but a lot different things.
Yeah, and a lot cheaper.
Yeah, by the way, a lot cheaper. But still, it was really fun.
That it was.
So this is the situation right now. It's been too much. I think we came to this place to go to watch the light show and a venue of stars, but it's getting too late and we are so tired. We'd want to start early tomorrow, so this will be it for today. We did not do too much today, but whatever we did was just too much fun. So yeah, we'll see you next time. So since we started,
It is not just tasting, we'll be learning towards. Also, we're a little underdressed for this entire thing, but that's how we usually are since you're traveling.
I think we're not undressed since I know the people, so there's no comparison. We're the most dressed in our group.